What's going on? It's Jab Animal back again. Today we're learning how to build and how to build fast and how to build up that muscle memory so we can go from an idea to a model very quickly. We're going to learn how to inset and how to extrude. Let's go to Blender. Alright guys, we're here with Mr. Cube. Let's click on him and press tab. I have this pie menu because I have a paid add-on called Machine Tools, which I highly recommend. It allows you to go to your select mode from right here. So we want to be on our face mode, and we're going to click on a face, and now we can use our inset with our I button. And then we can use our extrude with our E button. And with this, we can build very, very fast. If you guys are ever stuck with Blender, you don't know what to do, just come in here and start playing around with these two functions, your inset and your extrude. And you can build things, you can build your muscle memory using these tools, maybe even get inspired to build your next project just using these. Another option that you can do is also put in your scale function. So we can click on this face and we can extrude, click out of it, and then we can use our S to come out and then extrude out. It's super fun, guys. I highly recommend this. And just like that, we have this complex mechanical looking box. Took us maybe 1 minute to make. Hey, that's it. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Check me out on Twitter, YouTube, or Instagram. See you there.